I'm Emma. Thanks for joining us on News Lounge. DataMart is a recognised leader in variable data print. Specialised in direct marketing, mailing and fulfilment, DataMart provides everything from simple mailings to full direct marketing campaigns. Their specialists depend on GMC software technology for tailored solutions that accelerate development times and safeguard flexibility stay for customer requirements. When News Lounge went behind the scenes at DataMart, we found out how this impressive partnership works.
DataMart is a digital marketing technology company. What that means is we use the latest in digital printing technologies to provide variable messaging for our clients and our customers, so they in turn can create documents and messages that are more relevant.
We do a lot of work with Microsoft SQL Server, and we integrate that with GMC, having it read the databases that we've developed, produce the artwork that we want to produce, and then send it to whichever of the printers that we use.
You need a software program that's very flexible in that arena. In our business, because we never know what the next type of project's going to be or what the next need of a client is going to be, we need flexibility. And that actually has been a great asset for GMC, because they have many different modules connected to their software systems, so it's been very powerful for us as a tool.
The programming tool that we use, or their development tool, gives us the ability to take data that's defined and different from client to client, and then merge that in with either variable text, variable data, or variable images, and pull those together and then deliver the output.
As a company that kind of grew up in this business over the last 10 years or so, we've run across and worked with many different types of software. And it is kind of interesting that we keep utilizing GMC as kind of the primary when it comes to very high-end, very complex document processing.
We do work for one of the major car companies where if you purchase their vehicle, they will send you at the end of the month a personalized card that has the dealer that you purchased the car from, along with their service hours and their phone number, and a little personalized booklet that has all the options that you purchased in that vehicle. It tells you how to use the Bluetooth radio, if Bluetooth, or it might have the fancy automatic windshield wipers that turn on when it rains even though it's not on.
It has allowed us to play in the same ball field as companies that are significantly larger than we are. We have the ability to compete on a level of companies that are 10 times our size.
We wouldn't be able to do something like that efficiently without the GMC tool. Being able to pull all those pieces together mechanically and generate the documents that we need to without having to super schedule, if you want to think of it that way, saves us a lot of time and effort.
It's the technology that excites and makes this process fun to come to work every day. It's the ability to come in and create something new. Commercial press is what you're doing is you're generating a whole bunch of the same message. In our business, we're generating a whole bunch of messages and sending one out to a whole bunch of people. And that's what makes this job fun, and that's what makes this technology, so enjoyable to continue to be dealing with for the last 15, 20 years.
So it has really sped up our both development cycle, but also our production cycle, and given us the ability to automate things so that we don't have a lot of people involved necessarily babysitting these jobs.
And we're looking for new ways of processing something. When we have an idea and we're not exactly sure, can the software do it? We've actually worked with companies that have as much as said, well, you bought the software, you need to figure out how to make it work. And GMC has always been good enough to be able to sit down with us and say, all right, what are we trying to figure out? There's different ways we can do it. We can create some JavaScript here. You can use this module. And over the years, as the product has developed and as we've matured and we've grown to understand capabilities of what the product can do and how it can be successful for both of us, there really isn't a program out there that we have utilized that has ever matched their support and their capabilities.
Matching complex solutions to customer requirements and doing it in quick time. DataMart delivers sophisticated solutions thanks to GMC software technology. This is Emma. Join us again on News Lounge.